Okay, so hey, what's up guys, this is me, your friend here, you are watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk with you about Xiaomi, a crazy and a realistic company. And also I'm wearing orange, so let's get started. So firstly we're gonna start up with the name, Xiaomi. It is an actually Buddhist concept which describes rise. Yes, that's the crazy thing. It's a rise-oriented company. Xiaomi, that means that thing. If you take a look at the Xiaomi's logo, if you turn it around and flip it up, it looks a lot different, and it is also a concept of Buddhist company. So, a kind of a grain-oriented company, a crazy company, as I told you. So, how Xiaomi started up? That is a really huge question. Basically, they have only 60 employees and they look up with the everything. They are a complete full-time workers and each and every stuff only with the 60 employees. 60. That's a really small amount, and now they are all around the world. So that's a huge growth in the stats of Xiaomi. Thing I want to share with you about Xiaomi, it's not kind of fact, but a thing which you might have a question. So if you know, they have very own UI, as we told you in every video. Skinned UI, MIUI, MIUI, which is a kind of oriented thing, and they have one thing is really cheap segment of smartphones. They got is too many series going around and so many things. But if you take a look, they have kept the pricing really cheap with really good specs and really good looks. So how they gonna make the money? Basically, MIUI, add UI. I'm not concerning it. Since I have taken a look at the MIUI, they've strewn you up with each and every step. Even if you open their file manager, or you can say web browser, they came up with the full screen ads, which is not kind of good thing which I hate, and that ad revenue gives a really huge money. It's a hard concept to understand, but that's a thing. Xiaomi, Xiaomi. So if you take a look at the Xiaomi in China, basically they are known as the Apple in China. um Not they're solding the Apple smartphones in China. They sold each and every stuff in China, taking from the underwears to crockery, each and every stuff. It minds your tube lights, bulbs, smart things, TVs are there, laptops, smartphones are there, ACs, TVs, each and every stuff. They hadn't came up with what do you say, a full humanoid. I'm not concerning they're gonna make a human, Xiaomi human, but anyways, we are not concerning. But it's a really huge company in China, and the pricing over there, it's a thing which we can't expect. Might gonna say it's gonna beat Huawei in China. I'm not concerning them to fight, but Xiaomi got some really high cuts over there in China. So they have also set it up the Guinness World Record, or you can say the Genius World Record, by solding 15,000 smartphones just in 2 seconds in India. It was Xiaomi Mi 3, and it was a crazy bump over in India, and they have set it up a huge thing. After that, they have came up with the Mi 4 and 4A, which was also great concept smartphones, and that take to a huge flight. So great work Xiaomi over there. So what made the Xiaomi unique? It became the biggest selling smartphone company in China in 2014. Crazy thing, and they have beaten up Huawei also in China. breaking up the market, huh? And they have came up in second quarter of 2018 are really taken a huge flight in a whole world. So Xiaomi is a great company in too many countries, including China and India, especially. As we are taking a look at Xiaomi, let's talk about the handlers. What does that mean? Social handlers. They got some really huge social handlers. Every country is every country is different handlers, and as I know, they have taken a look at the India with different states too. So a kind of crazy thing. So if you are a gig of the Xiaomi, if you follow Xiaomi China, Xiaomi is a Chinese network. You might know the smartphones came over there first. Then secondly, they came up all over the world. Secondly, and they got some really nice oriented things going on. So Xiaomi got a really huge market in social stuff. One thing is that if you know, four digits 1234 is known as the unlucky number, which is a kind of thing in China, but Xiaomi doesn't care about that. So it's kind of crazy thing going on. You know, Mi 4A, Mi 4, and they came up with the too many 4 smartphones, and 4 was a really great amount at which they are sold up in India. Mi 4 and 4A was too hyped up and market was gone crashed up in India. So 4 was a really nice concept for Xiaomi, especially I know. As if you know, Xiaomi got some really good things going around in too many countries. But if you take a look at the headquarters, Apple got some really oriented headquarters. Different countries have different countries headquarters. But Xiaomi don't care about the looks. They have set it up a really small but building type of headquarter. A kind of crazy thing going on, but let's take a look. They have displayed it up with the Xiaomi Mi MI logo itself, and that's all. That's the building with an MI logo on it, and boom, there we go. We got some rooms going on for the employees and for testing the smartphones, and they tested around 6,000 smartphones at a time, or around 60,000 smartphones in a room. So it's kind of crazy thing, and they test for the stuff which is touch stuff. They want the display to be crispiest, which is a kind of new thing. You take a look at the display, so you got the Super AMOLED, but they want the display to be smooth in experience as a butterfly. So it's kind of real nice thing in Xiaomi's. Xiaomi is a Chinese oriented company, but the international headquarters is in Singapore. Yep, again a crazy thing. I don't want to talk anything like that, but it's a crazy thing company. Xiaomi. That's it. Those were some of the things which you might didn't know about the Xiaomi and some of the facts about the Xiaomi. Hopefully you like this video. Share, subscribe, and like again, because this is a crazy company. If you are interested in more videos like this, let us know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the soon. Stay safe, stay tech. Peace out.